Now, here's another highway clip. I don't know that you've ever seen anything like this before. Click over to it. Now scroll down there, Will, and just play the clip right there so Vin can see this. You ever seen this before? So this is reverse, traveling in reverse on the highway.
Did he like change the whole car? Or no, he's just driving reverse. Does he like have the arm over the chair and he's looking back?
He just
Why
likes.
is this? Get out of here.
No, he prefers driving. Okay,
He prefers it.
for the I'm lying. So his power steering busted midway and he couldn't drive the car forward, I guess. And so he looked around and thought his best chance was going to be he could drive it in reverse, supposedly. So he saw the exit and was just, people were reporting it, but he was just trying to get to the exit. That's how he was doing it, Ben.
Yeah.
But it created this really amazing video clip that makes you feel very strange to see the car traveling in the wrong direction or in reverse, in the right direction, but in reverse down the highway. He says the power steering locked up on his vehicle while he was driving on the highway. When he noticed, he slammed on his brakes. It made him spin out. He hit the concrete barrier. No cars hit him. He was rolling backwards, but his steering wheel was working in reverse.
Oh.
So he kept going, hoping to make it to the exit. Here's the quote. I see the exit sign and I was like, you know what? I can probably make it to the exit. Time just slowed down. I felt like I was in the Matrix. He said to himself, I can do this. So
it was momental. It was just carrying on from the impact backwards.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but clip right there reminds me of the Matrix as well.